مرحبا بكم في درس اللغة العربية للمبتدئين Arabic for the beginners. Today we're gonna talk about the consonants, the first set of consonants, ba and ta and tha. We're gonna learn how to properly pronounce them and also how to write them properly. You need to know, of course, you need to review your knowledge of the Arabic short and long vowels, but you also, every Arabic letter that we learn, you need to know how to write it individually and how to write it at the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. And do not forget that Arabic is written from right to left. The other thing is you need to remember if this letter is a connector or is a non-connector. What's a connector? It means that does it connect to the letter that comes after it, or it does not connect to the letter that comes after it. Ba and ta and tha are connectors, and we're gonna see how they are connectors in when we write words. The sound ba is written individually like this. So there is imagine if you love to eat or you love food, imagine that this is a plate and there is, you're about to hide one piece of your favorite food underneath it. It's just ba with a dot, with a plate, and there is a dot underneath the plate, or it's a one dot, only one dot underneath the plate. How do we write ba at the beginning of the word? Ba, like this. In the middle, ba, like this. This is not part of the letter ba, but that little dash is to indicate that there is a letter before it. And then at the end, like there is a little hook because you want to close the sound. It's the last sound in the word, so you want to be able to close it. And then ta, two. Ta, two pieces of your favorite food. Say my favorite vegetables is tomato. Two tomatoes in the plate. One ba is book. Ba is one piece. Ta, here, at the beginning of the word, this is how we write it individually, and this is how we write it at the beginning of the word, in the middle, and then at the end. Now, ta for tea, like the English tea, and the last letter in this, they all share the same skeletal shape, and this is tha with three. So ta, two pieces of meat in your plate. Tha, three pieces of meat in your plate. And at the beginning of the word, like this, in the middle, like this, at the end, like this. So make sure that you want to add a little hook here, so you want to close the sound as you write it. This is how we write them, and they are connectors. See, they connected to sounds that come after them. For example, for ba, if I say bab, we've heard this long sound, the long vowel a, in the first video. Bab, so I'm gonna say ba, and there is a long vowel a, which is written like this, and then bab at the end, but the long vowel a does not connect, so it's gonna stand alone, and then ba has to be by itself. This is this. For example, the word bint. So it's ba, which is going to be with a kasra b, and noon and ta. Bint. Now thaa as in tube, tube, tube. Thaa is a connector. See, it connect, but oo, long vowel oo, is a non-connector. So tube. So you see, it's not connected to the ba because it's a non-connector. Thaa is in thaa bit, thaa bit. And these are the first set of consonants. I'll meet you in the next video when we talk about jim, ha, ha.